Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is very important because after age 40, the body slowly begins to change. Energy may feel lower. Recovery may become slower. Muscles may weaken over time. This is why nutrition becomes more important than ever. Let's begin with salmon. Salmon contains healthy fats plus omega-3. These nutrients support heart health plus brain function. Another important food is walnuts. Walnuts support memory plus circulation. Many people call walnuts brain food. Then comes avocado. Avocado contains healthy fats that support your heart, skin, overall wellness. Another important food is spinach. Spinach contains iron plus antioxidants. These nutrients support blood health plus energy. Now let's talk about blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from internal stress. This supports healthy aging. Another important food is yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics. These beneficial bacteria support gut health. Good digestion becomes increasingly important with age. Then comes broccoli. Broccoli contains fiber plus vitamins. This supports immunity plus daily nutrition. Another useful food is eggs. Eggs contain protein plus important nutrients for muscles plus brain function. Then comes olive oil. Olive oil is popular in many healthy diets around the world. It supports heart health plus balanced nutrition. Another calming option is oatmeal. Warm oatmeal contains fiber. This supports digestion plus stable energy. But here is the truth. No single food creates perfect health. Balance still matters. Movement matters. Sleep matters. Stress management matters. Healthy aging comes from daily habits, not quick solutions. Now here is the key idea. Your body changes with time, but smart nutrition may help support strength, energy, overall wellness for many years. Because real health is built from small, consistent habits, repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.